my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I installed this U-part wig. So shout out Nadula Hair Company for sending me over this wig. I'm quickly going to unbox and show you guys exactly what I received in my package. So I got this melt band, I got a makeup brush, I received some lashes, a bonnet, a headband, a wig cap, this cool stand for your phone. Honestly, this was a great gift. But yeah, it was this phone stand, and of course the wig itself. So this was a U-part wig. It was a dark auburn color in 24 inches. So this came in body wave and it was 150 density. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how the wig looks. So this is the part that our leave out's going to go through. It has some combs. It has combs going around the U part. So 2 on the side, 1 at the back of the leave out. Also 2 at the sides and 1 at the back of the wig. And it also had the adjustable bands. So I'm just quickly showing you guys how the wig looks. As I said before, it is a body wave wig and it is a U-part. So I'm going to jump into this install. So first things first, I'm going to make sure my hair is all combed out and I'm going to make my part. So I am doing a middle part for this install. So I'm going to part my middle part and I'm going to measure the parting of the wig itself. That way I know how deep my part should be. So once I know how long my part is, I'm going to just make a U part leave out. So it's basically half of a U on one side and then half of a U on the next side of the parting. And once that's done, it's going to look like a U-shaped parting. So that's how your leave out should look for this type of wig. I decided to leave out the sides of my hair. This is optional. You can decide if you want to leave it out or not. It's not necessary, but I decided to leave mine out. So I'm just parting it out just so that it's out of my way when I'm braiding down my hair. So for this install, my braid pattern, I'm only doing 6 braids, but my braids are flat because my hair is already flat ironed and it's not thick. So I only did 6 braids and allowed my wig to lay flat enough. So that was great. So how I parted it was I parted it down and then went around. And that's how I'm going to be doing the 6 braids. So once I'm done braiding my hair, I'm just gonna stick the end because everything was attached. So the end I just stuck in between the braids, and I'm going to go ahead and install this wig now. So next you just want to cut off those two straps that are holding the inside, or I should say the part where you're going to put your leave out, together. I'm taking the comb that's at the back of the wig and I'm sticking it in the middle part of the back of my head as a guide. And then I'm going to pull up the wig. I'm going to stick the comb that was at the back of the leave out into my braids, and then the two combs that were at the side also into my braids. So each comb has a use. The greatest part about this wig is that I did not have to go ahead and use my needles and thread to secure the wig. The wig actually felt secure once all these combs were in. So that was great. So once the wig is on, I'm just gonna go ahead and style my leave out. I will be using my flat iron to make some flat iron curls to help blend in with this body wave texture. So I'm going in with my BioSilk, and that's the only oil I'll be using, and I'm just spreading it all throughout the hair. So like I mentioned before, I will be using my flat iron to make some curls, and I'm only curling my hair to blend in with this body wave texture. So I did nothing to the hair itself. Like, this is exactly how the hair looks when it came in the box. I did nothing to it. So all I'm doing is a quick and easy style. So guys, if you want something super quick, super easy, that looks different, here you go, because there was no work needed. So all I'm doing is curling my hair while my leave out, and then I'm gonna try to like brush it in, kind of stick my ends in to help it blend better with this wig. So you'll see when I do that, but that was all I did. It was that simple. So now I'm going in with my wax stick, and I feel like the wax stick does help and make a difference. So this just gives it a better blend. So now I'm just combing the hair through and just trying to blend in my natural hair with this wig. And I'm glad that I left my sides out because it was easier for me to put the hair around my ears, and that's how I was wearing this wig. guys can see, I'm kind of like trying to tuck the hair in between the pieces of hair, I should say, in between the waves itself. I was trying to tuck my hair in to give it a better blend. So you always want to just play around with it a bit to get that seamless blend. So the last thing I'm about to do is put in some edge control. Of course, I'm going in with my 24-hour Ebin edge control. So I'm just doing a little swoops. That's all. Just trying to make my hair look super clean and neat. So that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, once my edges are done, that is basically it. Like this is the hairstyle. It was that simple. So I hope you guys were able to learn how to install a U-part quick and easily. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've made it this far, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not, and thank you again for watching. So all the details on this wig will be down in my description box below. Shout out again to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring this video. And yeah, if you guys are not already following me on Instagram, make sure you guys are following me at nae.simone. And if you guys have any video ideas that you guys would like to see me do as well, make sure you drop them down in the comments below. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.